Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So the episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what these are some fake artificial plants. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that I got right here, it's supposed to come with 3 of them. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see how they provide guys 3 of them inside. Let's take out all of them first. So let's start with this one right here. So here is the first one. This one kind of looks like a rosemary design or something, but when you guys view the side, it is super high quality. I believe this part right here is breakable, so you definitely want to be careful. But the actual plant itself and everything inside should be fake because it is like an artificial plant. So you definitely do have the option to leave this in your restroom, your living room, and anywhere else. So that way it actually looks pretty nice, and that way you can get a little bit of green. So here is the first one. Let me show you the other one as well. All right, so here we have the next one. You want to take your time to slowly take it out. So in the top part right here, it looks very dusty or very powdery, so I'm assuming they added something on there. But the cool thing about all these plants is the fact that they are artificial or fake, so you don't need to maintain it or anything. It just looks pretty nice. Like if I do pull it out, you can definitely pull it out really easily. But same thing for this one. It is a high quality pot, so it is breakable, so you do want to be careful with the bottom. But here is basically what the second one looks like. Now let's take out the last one. Alright, so here we have the last one. So you guys take it out. Here is basically what this one looks like. So same thing applies to this one. It is artificial plant, so it is fake as well. And when you guys do first get the product, you do have the option to kind of spread it out. So that way you make it look nicer when you guys do spread out a little bit and kind of bend it a little bit, which is pretty nice. Because when you guys first get it in the package, it's probably like all bended. So you probably want to spread it out to make it a little bit more nicer. But when you guys put all 3 of them side by side, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the way how they design these plants are actually really cool and actually looks so nice. Especially if you just want a little bit of green in your room and you don't have time to actually take care of it. That's where one of these actually comes in handy. And for these plants, it doesn't have any scent or smell. So if you guys want to spray your own scent on here, feel free to do so. So that way you can get like a rosemary scent, a lavender scent, or whatever. However you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. So I decided to put the plants right here. So that way once I come in, you can definitely see the plant that's on here and see a little bit of green, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for these artificial plants, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality fake plants that you can use in your living room, your bathroom, or anywhere else. So that way you can get a little bit of greens throughout your room or whatever. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.